Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Today's thought is, believe in yourself, you can do it. Now let us continue with the first chapter, geometrical constructions. So children, get ready with your textbook, notebook and geometry box. Today we will start with activity given on page number 7. Here you have to try to draw triangles with the following data. Triangle ABC in which major angle A is 85 degrees, major angle B is 115 degrees and length AB is 5 centimeter. That is, you have to construct the triangle given two angles and the included side. Here in this, if you will see, the angle form at the endpoints of the segment AB are given. So first we will draw segment AB of length 5 centimeter. So children, take your ruler and draw segment of 5 centimeter. Now we will give name to this segment AB. We will write the measure of this segment 5 centimeter. Now using protractor, we will draw an angle of 85 degree at the vertex A. As we are overlapping on the right, we will take the scale from the right. 0, 85 will come between 80 and 90. Now join A with the dot. You will get the ray starting from A. Now here the measure of angle A is 85 degrees. Now we will draw angle B of 115 degrees. So for that, again you will take the protractor, put it on the vertex B, match the reference line on the left of the protractor. Now we will take the scale from the left. So if you are starting it from 0, 115 will come between 110 and 120. So put the dot for that. Now join it using ruler. Now draw the ray. Write the measure here 115 degree. Give any point here, say R and this point as S. Now children, from the figure here, are you able to draw the triangle? No. What is the reason behind it? See the measures of the angles given here. Measure of angle A is 85 degrees, measure of angle B is 115 degrees. So if you add the measure of these two angles, 85 plus 115, you get 200. So 200 is greater than 180. That is, we had seen the property of the sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, if the sum of measures of all three angles is greater than 180 degree, then the triangle will not be formed here. So here we cannot draw a triangle. So we will write here, are we able to draw the triangle? No. So we will write here, we cannot draw a triangle using the given measurement because sum of the measures of two angles given is greater than 180 degree. Therefore, in such case, if the sum of the measures is greater than 180 degree, then we are unable to draw the triangle. Now let us see another example, that is the application of another property of triangle that you have studied earlier. Now triangle APQR in which length QR is 2 centimeter, length PQ is 4 centimeter and length PR is 2 centimeter. In this example, length of all three sides of the triangle are given and you have to draw the triangle with the given data. So first we will draw the segment with greater length, that is we will first draw segment PQ. So take your ruler, draw segment PQ of length 4 centimeter. Give the names here, PQ, it is of 4 centimeter, so we will write its measure here like this. Now segment PR is of 2 centimeter, so we will adjust it in compass. Take 2 centimeter segment and give the arc from the vertex Q, vertex P. So put the needle end on P. Give the arc here like this. Now here QR is also of 2 centimeter. So without changing the measure, we will give the arc from the vertex Q. Now what you see here, that both the arcs, they are intersecting at the midpoint of the segment PQ. That is, you are getting the point R on the segment PQ itself. So it is again difficult, or it is again not possible to draw the triangle with the given data. So again we will write here, we cannot construct triangle PQR. Why we are unable to construct the triangle? Because sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is not greater than the third side. In the last year you have studied that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, then only we are able to draw a triangle. But in such case it is not so. So sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is not greater than the third side. Again you will see it here, length QR plus length PR is 2 plus 2 is 4 centimeter. Also length of PQ is 4 centimeter, which is equal to the sum of the length of remaining two sides. Hence a triangle cannot be constructed using given data. Now let us see an activity for learning something more. This activity is given just below the activity just we have did in the previous two pages. An activity for learning something more. Draw triangle ABC such that length BC is 8 centimeter, length CA is 6 centimeter, and major angle ABC is 40 degrees. Now here you will see that length of two sides and one angle is given. So I took here the bigger side as the base, that is segment BC as the base. Now length major angle ABC is 40 degree, so I made angle of 40 degree at the vertex B. Now we have to give the arc of 6 centimeter from the vertex C. So we will adjust 6 centimeter inner compass, put it on 0, put the needle end on 0 and bring the pencil end on 6. Now we will put this needle end on C. Now give the arcs on the ray. Now what you find here, that this arc cuts the ray at two different points or two distinct points. It means if we now which intersecting point should be considered as A, vertex A? We have to consider here both, because we are getting here two different triangles for the given measurement. So if you draw both the or join both the intersecting point with the vertex C. So I am giving here name as A1 and this as A2. So you will see that A1BC and A2BC are both the triangles with the given measurement. This is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. So now children, you are getting two different triangles for the given information. So in this construction, the arc intersects the ray in two different points. Thus we get two triangles of two different shapes having the given measures. So it happens in some examples. Now let us see another activity. Can a triangle be drawn if the three angles are given but not any side? In this case, measures of only angles are given, but the length of any side is not given. So you have to decide, can we draw a triangle? Yes, we can draw the triangle. But how the triangles are? See, in this case the length is not given, so I took any length. I had drawn here the equilateral triangle. You can draw isosceles, you can draw scalene triangle. You can, but as the length of the segments are not given, you can take any length by your own. So in both the cases, the measures of angles are same, but here the size of both the triangles is different. That is, if all the measures of angles are given, you can draw the triangles having same shape but not of the same size. So when three angles of a triangle are given but not any side, we get infinite triangles of the same shape but not of the same size. As you will change the length of the sides, you will get so many different triangles of the same shape but not of the same size. So children, you have to complete your copy still here. Thank you.